In this video, I will show you how to share an Amazon cart link step by step. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to add items to your cart, find the sharing option, and send your selected products to someone else easily. If this video helps you out today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Amazon and tech-based tutorials. Now, to get started with this, what we're going to do is come across to Amazon, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one. Once you've done that, you want to log into your account. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add something to my basket. So I'm going to add this Amazon Echo Dot. So I'm going to click to go onto the product page, and over to the right you're going to see an option to add to basket. Give that a click. That's going to add it to your shopping cart, and you're going to see a preview of your shopping cart on the right hand side. Now what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto basket to be taken to your shopping basket. In here you're going to find all your currently added items to your Amazon basket. Now if you want to actually share a link for any of these items, if you actually scroll through and find the item from your cart that you want to share, so let's take the Echo that we just added. You can see underneath here we've got some options, and there is a share option here. So if you actually give that a click, it's going to ask you if you want to share this product with friends. You can see we've got a couple of options, so we can do this via email, Pinterest, Facebook, or X. Alternatively, there is the product link at the bottom, so you can just simply click onto copy link, and then of course paste that wherever you need to if you want to send it through Messenger or a message, and that's going to share your Amazon shopping cart link. So that is how to share Amazon cart link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.